Most people think jeans start with cotton. Today, we're following a surprising journey from banana plants to premium American denim. Millions of banana plants are discarded every year. Collection system is running smoothly. Each stem contains layers of strong cellulose fiber.
First shipment is on schedule. The journey from farm waste to fashion begins.
Moisture levels are within target range. Only healthy stems proceed to extraction.
Fiber extraction line is active.
Fiber output looks excellent.
The machine removes soft plant tissue while preserving strong fibers.
Recovery efficiency is above target.
Tank 2 temperature is stable.
Fiber movement is uniform.
Multiple washing stages ensure that every strand is cleaned thoroughly before.
Check gum removal efficiency. 98% removal achieved.
Banana fibers naturally contain gums that must be removed to create soft, spinnable textile fibers.
Final rinse cycle complete.
Water clarity looks excellent.
Rinsing removes any remaining treatment residue and prepares the fibers for drying. Moisture reading at 38%.
Within target range. Send it to drying. Controlling moisture is essential for maintaining fiber strength and consistency.
Drying line 1 is ready.
Maintain airflow at standard settings. Before fibers can become yarn, excess moisture must be carefully removed.
Softness levels are improving.
Excellent. Prepare for grading.
Softening improves flexibility, making the fibers easier to spin into fine yarn.
Grade A fiber confirmed. Send batch to spinning preparation. Only the highest quality fibers continue toward yarn production.
Inches. Batch 21 is cleared for yarn production.
Yes. Transfer order confirmed.
After cleaning, drying, and grading, the banana
Fiber alignment is stable. Before spinning, the fibers must be separated and aligned.
Blend ratio is holding steady.
Good, we need uniform fiber distribution before carding.
Blending ensures that every future yarn spool has the same strength, flexibility, and appearance.
Carding rollers are running perfectly.
Fiber alignment looks excellent.
Carding transforms loose fibers into a parallel structure, preparing them for spinning.
Sliver thickness is within specification.
Maintain current feed rate.
Slivers are easier to handle and form the foundation of the yarn-making process.
Drawing aligns fibers more precisely and improves yarn consistency.
Drawing tension is stable. Uniformity.
Roving is an intermediate stage that prepares fibers for final yarn spinning.
Roving formation is clean.
Prepare transfer to spinning. Now the banana fibers begin their transformation into durable textile yarn.
Spinning line 3 is ready. Loading complete. Starting production.
Twisting the fibers together creates strength, durability, and flexibility. Yarn strength is reading above target.
Excellent. Maintain current speed.
Spool number 245 complete.
Send the batch for testing.
Each spool contains thousands of meters of yarn ready for fabric production.
Strength test passed.
All yarn parameters meet denim grade specifications.
Approve batch for dyeing and weaving. Before becoming denim, quality approval received.
Loading yarn batch 245 into the dyeing system now.
Yep.
Let's maintain consistent color across the entire run.
First dye bath completed.
Color penetration looks uniform.
Instead of one heavy application, denim yarn is dyed repeatedly to build rich color while preserving the fiber's strength.
Oxidation stage is progressing perfectly. Color depth matches production standards.
Exposure to oxygen develops the familiar blue color associated with premium denim.
Cycle 6 complete.
Continue to final saturation level.
Multiple dye cycles create a deeper, richer shade while maintaining uniform color throughout the yarn. Drying temperature is stable. Color retention looks excellent.
Controlled drying locks the dye into the yarn and prepares it for weaving. Loom number 12 is ready.
Begin production at standard speed. The weaving department transforms individual yarns into durable denim fabric.
Fabric formation is clean and uniform.
Maintain weaving tension.
At this stage, the banana fiber yarn officially becomes denim fabric, the foundation of every pair of jeans.
Fabric quality approved. No weaving defects detected.
Send the rolls to the jeans manufacturing department. After passing
Cutting
Fabric
plan
quality
approved. No weaving defects detected. The denim is now ready to become jeans.
Send the rolls to the jeans manufacturing department. After passing
Pattern alignment confirmed.
Proceed with full stack cutting.
Yeah.
All layers are cutting clean.
Advanced CNC systems maximize material efficiency while
assembly complete. Seam quality looks excellent.
The front panels form the foundation of the jeans and must be assembled with precise alignment. Back pocket alignment confirmed.
Continue to reinforcement stitching.
Decorative stitching and reinforced construction help define the identity and durability of premium denim jeans. Leg seams are aligned.
Maintain stitch density throughout the run.
At this stage, separate denim components become a complete pair of jeans.
Rivet pressure is within specification.
Zipper alignment verified.
Metal hardware reinforces high-stress areas and contributes to the classic durability of denim jeans. Washing cycle is complete.
Texture and softness look perfect.
Specialized washing techniques improve comfort while enhancing the natural character of the denim.
Stitch quality approved.
No defects detected.
Release batch for distribution. Every pair undergoes strict quality checks before reaching customers.